A metal clamping ring refers to the circular structure used on the exterior of wooden, plastic, or metal barrels to reinforce and secure the staves, typically made of metal. Its main characteristics include reinforcing the structure. Kigreal metal clamping ring forming machine supports the production of different sizes by adjusting parameters on a single device. First, we will show you the machine producing larger size products. This machine was customized for an Indian client, and the production process includes passive decoiling, forming, and cutting. The forming process is precise, but does not include a punching station. So, how does a metal clamping ring forming machine different sizes of products? You simply set different lengths through the computer system to produce, input, the parameters, start the machine, and the metal clamping ring are automatically produced. The operation is simple and convenient, with minimal manual intervention required. 2 metal clamping ring forming machine with dual punching stations. In addition to producing different sizes of products, Kigreal metal clamping ring forming machine can also produce metal clamping ring with punch holes. According to the different needs of customers, Kigreal manufactured this machine with dual punching stations for a client in the United States. After decoiling, the punching stations perform front and back punching according to the program settings before entering the forming section. The products are precise with extremely low error margins. Three. Producing metal clamping ring of different shapes. Unlike common shapes such as semicircles, Kigreal can customize machines to produce metal clamping ring of various shapes according to the drawings provided by customers. This production line was customized by a Vietnamese client, and is equipped with a front punching station, where part of the shape is punched at the edge first, then formed, and fully cut. Kigreal has extensive experience in manufacturing metal clamping ring forming machines, and has projects exported to various countries. Choose Kigreal with confidence.